Pixelmator Pro versus Lightroom. Which photo editor is better? Choosing the right photo editor can completely change how you enhance your images without struggling with complicated tools. Both offer powerful features but differ in approach and usability. Pixelmator Pro and Lightroom are two leading photo editing apps. Pixelmator Pro focuses on a streamlined macOS optimized experience with advanced painting and retouching tools. Lightroom centers on comprehensive photo management and non-destructive editing across devices. Pixelmator Pro is a macOS exclusive photo editor designed for both professionals and enthusiasts. It uses a powerful GPU-accelerated engine to deliver smooth editing and supports RAW files, layers, and advanced retouching. Its interface is clean and intuitive, integrating seamlessly with Apple technologies like Metal and Core ML for AI-powered enhancements. Pixelmator Pro excels at detailed image manipulation, including painting, masking, and color grading. Its strength lies in combining photo editing with graphic design capabilities, making it ideal for users who want creative control beyond basic adjustments. However, it lacks a built-in photo library or catalog system, so managing large collections requires external tools. Pixelmator Pro is best suited for Mac users focused on high-quality edits and creative workflows without needing cloud syncing or cross-platform access. Adobe Lightroom is a cross-platform photo editor and organizer tailored for photographers managing extensive image libraries. It offers powerful, non-destructive editing with presets, batch processing, and advanced color correction. Lightroom's cloud-based ecosystem allows seamless syncing across desktop, mobile, and web, enabling access anywhere. Its built-in catalog system simplifies organizing, tagging, and searching thousands of photos. Lightroom's strengths include excellent raw processing, AI-driven enhancements, and integration with Adobe Creative Cloud. However, it has fewer graphic design or painting tools compared to Pixelmator Pro and requires a subscription. Lightroom is ideal for photographers needing efficient workflow management, consistent edits, and multi-device access, especially for those invested in the Adobe ecosystem. Pixelmator Pro and Lightroom serve different user needs. Pixelmator Pro offers a rich, creative editing environment with tools for detailed retouching and design, perfect for Mac users focused on artistic control. Lightroom excels at managing large photo libraries with cloud syncing and batch editing, making it the go-to for professional photographers working across devices. Pixelmator Pro's limitation is the lack of photo organization and cross-platform support, while Lightroom's subscription model and limited graphic design features might deter creatives seeking all-in-one editing. For quick, powerful edits and library management, Lightroom wins. For in-depth creative work on Mac, Pixelmator Pro stands out. Choose Pixelmator Pro if you want powerful, creative editing on Mac with advanced retouching and design tools without needing cloud syncing or extensive photo management. Lightroom is the better choice for photographers who prioritize organizing large photo collections, cloud syncing, and consistent edits across devices. Its robust library and workflow features make it ideal for professionals and enthusiasts who need seamless access and efficient photo management.